The Ministry of Health Wednesday reported 9 more coronavirus infections, raising the total number of cases to 225.
Out of the 803 samples, 9 people have tested positive, bringing to 225 the number of confirmed cases in the country. And I would like also to mention that all the 9 cases are Kenyan nationals. And also, none of them has a history of travel, and none of them was in a quarantine center.
Health Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe said none of the 9 had a recent travel history outside the country. The new cases raising fears that many Kenyans could be out and have already contracted the virus. The CS warning that the mass testing exercise will give a true picture of the spread of the virus in the country, urging Kenyans not to let down their guards, but adhere to set regulations.
Let me send out a word of caution. We are not out of danger. A comparative review of the countries now being overrun by the virus shows that they were reporting similar figures as we are now. You will note that our 4.6% death rate is within the global range of 6.3%.
On the same period, 12 more people were discharged, bringing to 53 the number of those who have recovered. Sadly, 1 more person succumbed to the disease, bringing to 10 the number of those who have died from COVID-19. 2,336 contacts are being monitored, and 455 contacts are under the surveillance radar. Kagwe, in the meantime, has condemned Kenyans who are not cooperating with the police during curfew hours.
And I thought that for once, I was going to see the human rights organizations condemn those who are misbehaving with the police.
The CS reiterated the importance of Kenyans putting on the mask, which are readily available in the market cheaply.
Numerous organizations now that are making masks, and selling them all the way from 5 shillings to 15 shillings, and some very sophisticated ones, to 50 shillings and so on and so forth. I can tell you that mine, this one is about 5 bob. The beauty of some of these masks, especially the cloth ones, is that they are reusable. And you can buy it and wash it before you use it. So that if you have got the one you have now, Purity, you can take one of these, use that one today, wash this one, it's clean, and then you can use it tomorrow.
To scale up the war against the virus, the government has received 18,900 swabs, protective clothing, thermometer gloves and equipment from the Jack Ma Foundation and other assorted equipment to help fight the pandemic from WHO. As the country embarked on a mass testing exercise this week, the Wednesday 9 confirmed cases were not picked from any isolation center, but from the streets of Nairobi and Mombasa. Again, the 9 did not have any travel history. This tells you that community spread of COVID-19 is real in the country. It's now upon Kenyans to adhere to set guidelines on COVID-19 prevention. Purity Museo, Channel 1 News, Nairobi.